Welcome to the Dollar Tree's Christmas preview. These are all the things that are hidden away. I am going to share with you everything to keep your eyes peeled for this year. There's some amazing stuff. Let's hit it. If you get nothing else this season, here's what you need to know. Right now, Dollar Tree has tons of $1.25 mini trees. These new mini trees are so amazing. The way to save on ornaments are the giant bulbs at Dollar Tree. They're only $1.25, which is awesome. And they have different collections of ornaments this year. They have a woodland theme, they have a glam theme, and they have a traditional Christmas theme. My favorite are these giant snowflakes. You get 4 for $1.25. This can make some beautiful decor. Please subscribe. I can't wait to show you what I'm planning on doing with my Christmas tree this year. If you want big bang for your buck, these snowflakes are a great deal. And these snowflake packs, you get 10 for $1.25. These are great inside a Christmas tree. I love both of these items. Another great deal are these over-the-door wreath hangers. And the fluffy socks are back. Look how cute these are.